If you are a beginner, you want to learn English, you want to speak English, but you don't know how to start, from where to start, so this video is for you. You have reached at right place, because in this video I am going to tell you how you can start speaking English, how you can be fluent in English language. So watch this video till the end, and if you find this video useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so without doing delay, let's jump in the video. So friends, if you are a beginner, you just have started learning this language, but you don't have confidence, you don't know how to speak, but you want to speak. So what are the steps that you should take? So I'm going to tell you 3 ways by following which you can not only speak English, but also you can be fluent in English language. So what are those steps? Let me tell you. So first thing that you have to do is, if you just have started, so you have to frame small sentences and you have to speak, right? Like if I am doing something, suppose I am eating, so I'll not say that मैं खा रही हूँ. What I will say directly in English that I am eating. So like this, whatever work, whatever things, wherever I'm going or whatever I'm doing, just I will speak in English. I will speak small sentences, but I will speak in English, right? For example, I am going outside, I'm going to market, I'm just having some fun with my brothers, with my sisters, with my siblings. I am just watching TV, I'm just eating, I'm just taking a glass of water, I'm washing clothes, I'm going to take bath, I'm going to do this, that. So whatever I'm doing, I have to speak, right? So like this you can do the same. So you can practice like this. Whatever you are doing, just you have to speak in your mind, and also you can speak up, not only in your mind, but you will have to speak up all the sentences. Speak slowly, but speak each and everything that you are doing. Describe yourself, right? So like this you can practice. So practice like this each and every day, and when you are done, like if you feel that I can frame sentences, I can like speak small sentences, now I am able to speak. So now what you have to do, you have to take your next step. What is next steps? Sorry. So now you have to take next steps. Now you will have to describe about things. Suppose uh, I have nail paint in my hand, and now I'm going to describe about that nail paint. Like this, I like this nail paint very much. This is a green color nail paint, and I was just looking for nail paints, so I went to market, and where I found this nail paint I liked very much, so I purchased this nail paint, and now I am applying on my nails, so I like this nail paint very much. So like this you will have to describe about things. Whatever things you find, just you have to describe about those things, not only in one word, but you will have to make so many sentences, so that you can, you can train your mind that I have to speak in English. So when you will speak, when you will describe about things, the more you will describe about things, the more you will learn. So first of all you have to speak small sentences, then you will have to go for describing about things, right? And after, when you complete, like you feel that now I am able to describe about things, so when you complete describing, when you think that now I am that much sure that I can describe about things, so now you will have to go to your third steps. So what is that third step? So third step is, now you have to tell about yourself, tell about other ones, and also you will have to tell stories. Yes, you will have to take these steps now, because when you will tell about yourself, so you will be much more confident when you will speak English. So tell about yourself, about others, likes, dislikes, about your likes, about your dislikes, about your abilities, qualities, about others' abilities, qualities, what you like, what you think about yourself, and what you think about others. So all the things, whatever you know, whatever you can, whatever you want to describe, whatever likes, dislikes, whatever you like to play, about all these things, start telling yourself, start describing all the things. And do one more thing, that is telling stories. Yes, telling stories can help you a lot, so you must tell stories. So by telling stories you can learn so many things, so many words, so many sentences, so many ideas, and also you can learn how to express, how to tell stories, how to tell about other things, other persons. So story, what is story? Story is about like telling about others. So if you will do these three things each and every day, and with consistency, so definitely you are going to speak English fluently, and you are going to be fluent in English. You will not only learn English, but also you will speak English with confidence, because by doing this you are going to practice for your confidence, for your English, for your personality, for each and everything. So start doing these things if you really want to learn English, if you really want to speak English. So these things are very important to do, and it is very useful, and also it is very easy. If you will do this, you don't have to give too much time. You will just have to train your mind each and every day, but you will have to do with consistency. Consistency matters a lot. So if you'll do each and every day this, so definitely it is going to help you a lot. So do these things whatever I told you, and I can assure you, I'm damn sure that you are going to improve a lot if you will do these things each and every day. So start framing sentences, start speaking small sentences, then go to describing about things, about yourself, about things, about each and everything. So tell stories, because telling a story can help you a lot. So this was the video, and I hope you have learned something new from this video. So if you have learned something new from this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.